tell us about your, hello, tell us about the sepangs moment you had leaving the house. Separation anxiety, if any.
Sepangs. Okay. Who wants to start? Charlie, AZ? This is for you guys.
Oh my God. Hello, Miss Dolly. Oh, I had a big sepangs moment actually when I first got evicted. Yan po talaga yung malaking sepangs ko. Because the moment I opened my phone, I realized everyone was still inside. And I was outside, me, Ate Ash, and AC, Kyo, we were outside, and we couldn't see them anymore. There wasn't that feeling na parang, they're not, hindi na sila one call away. Hindi sila one good morning away, you know. Kaya the first time around, the first time I got evicted, yun po talaga yung biggest sepangs moment ko, and I couldn't stop crying. There was a time that I would scroll on TikTok and I'd see an edit of like me, Brendan, and Sneer, and then may overlapping pa ng mga boses nila. Hala! I would cry so hard. I'd be like, I miss Brent, I miss Sneer, I miss the house space, and it was so bad. It was so bad, honestly. But the second time around, when we're here naman as part of Big Four, thank God that nasama din ako. It's a miracle talaga. Now that we came out as Big Four all together, wala naman po siyang malaking sepangs, not as bad as the time we got evicted, because I know that everyone is outside. I know that there's a chance that I'm gonna see them more often, and I know that there's a chance that I can just call them back. And we're all here together, like here today, we're all with the Kapusos, kaya I'm really happy now.
That's true, no? Medyo unique pala yung situation din kasi ni Charlie. But we want to hear from you, AZ. Ang tagal mo doon sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya.
Hi, Miss Dolly. Thank you for that question. Ako, sobrang nasasepangs talaga ako. Even right now, like, kasi, yeah. Oy! Pero like, kasi, di ba in the house, I've mentioned about like the friendships that I've had before. And I'm happy na sa house na yun, I've built a family with them. Like, nahanap ko yung core ko here sa Manila. And yung core ko na I know will last a lifetime talaga. And sobrang happy talaga ako with the people that I've met. Yung mga tao na to, yung mga kasama namin, bihira niyo lang ito mahahanap. Kaya gusto ko sila naghawakan talaga na hindi ko sila kayang i-let go. Ayun, kasi sobrang masaya talaga ako sa nabuo namin. And even though busy kami ngayon, sobrang happy ako na we still make time for dinner. Like yesterday, naggaling kami sa work, then nag-dinner kami after. So yun yung mga little things na napapasaya talaga sa akin. Just spending time with them, catching up with them, sobrang happy talaga ako with all those moments.
Aw, thank you so much, AZ. Thank you so much too, Miss Dolly, for your question. Very interesting nga, no? Sepangs dahil ang tagal nila sa bahay. But let's continue this. Let's have naman Miss Tin Bailon of PEP. Miss Tin, okay, I believe Miss Tin's questions are for Ashley and Dustin naman. There we have Miss Tin nasa harap.
Hello, Dustin. So, kung bibigyan kayo ng project ni Bianca, pero kasama si Will, papayag ka ba?
Yes naman yan. Siyempre, oo. Straight to the point. Oo naman, Justin. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, lahat ng opportunities i-grab natin. As long as approved by the management, Sparkle. As long as approved ni Miss Tracy. And of course, kami kasi ni Will nag-work na kami together. So, sa Mano po. So, last 2 years ago, I think. And interesting din na mag-work kami ulit. And now, yung question mo is with Bianca naman. Alam ko marami nag-aabang yan. Yeah, so, i-take natin yung opportunity na yan. At let's see kung ano yung mangyayari. But for now, sabihin ko yes.
Will, reaction to that?
Reaction lang kasi, di ba? Tama naman.
Kasi ako I've worked with Dustin na rin and Bianca. And pareho silang friends ko. And masasabi ko talaga na very, very professional sila. So I'm looking forward talaga na makatrabaho sila ulit. Ngayon na nakalabas kami dito sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. And excited ako makita yung pag-grow nila, not just as a person, of course, kundi sa craft nila. And gusto ko rin, of course, ma-share namin together yung ganung, ano ba tawag nun? Basta yung ganung, yung craft na yun, gusto namin may share lahat ng mga yun.
Thank you. For Mika naman, Mika, hello Mika.
Yes, po.
For you ba, mabigat ba na responsibility yung title as a big winner?
Opo, actually mabigat po talaga siya, lalo na sa akin na alam naman po nating lahat, kami po ni Brent nung time na kaya po naming ibigay sa Shukla yung title ng big winner. And nung nalaman po namin na kami yung big winner, actually even now, hindi pa po siya talaga nag-sink in ng buo sa amin. Kasi, kaya po, din tulad ng lagi ko sinasabi, araw-araw po, lagi po ako nag-iisip paano ako magiging deserving na maging big winner. That's why, hanggat kaya ko po, tumutulong po ako, nag-reach po ako sa mga taong may kailangan. Kasi po, gusto ko po mapatunayan yung hindi lang po sa ibang tao, even sa sarili ko, na deserve ko po yung title na big winner. Kaya po napakalaking responsibility po niya para sa akin.
Mika. Last na for Will. Will sa Bar Boys, parang kasama mo si Klang.
Yes po.
So, can you share kung ano yung role and paano kayo ulit ni Klang? Nag-connect ulit?
Di ko po sure kung pwede ko ma-share yung role ni Ate Klang pa dun eh. Pero yung role ko po dun sa law student. Law student siya na talagang dream niya na maabot yung pangarap niya na yun para sa, same kami actually, para sa kanyang mom na nagtatrabaho abroad and willing to do everything talaga para maibigay yung magandang buhay sa magulang niya. Ano ba yun?
Anong feeling na first time tong acting project ni Ate Klang?
Nakakatuwa.
Kasi ikaw kasama.
Sobra nakakatuwa po. Nung nagkaroon kami ng shoot together ni Ate Klang, talagang hindi ko na-feel the first time ni Ate Klang. Kasi talagang give na give din talaga si Ate Klang. Ang galing. As in, sobra. Maski si Direk Kip talagang sinasabi niya sa akin na ang galing, parang hindi nga first timer. Talagang actor si Ate Klang ngayon. Ibang version talaga ni Ate Klang yung mapapanood niya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Tin. Ayan, nagkaroon tayo ng little bit of a teaser. But now, let's have Sir Nicky Wang of Manila Standard. I believe your questions are for Shuvi?
Shuvi and Will.
Yes, okay. Shuvi and Will.
Kay ano nga tayo, kay Shuvi. Hi Shuvi.
Hello, sir.
Good morning.
Ano?
Well, kanina nabanggit mo naman na you felt like a big winner paglabas mo. In fact, among the housemates, nang lumabas ng PBB, ikaw yung nagkaroon ng 1 million followers additional sa Instagram. So congratulations for that. Pero maraming natutuwa sa'yo because of your talent and authenticity. So, how do you feel na parang a lot of people root for you outside the house?
It's really overwhelming po. Sa totoo lang, before po ako pumasok sa PBB, bilang ko po sila, si Nova lang po yun. Isa siya. Sabi niya mag-fan meet daw kami. Sabi ko, paano mag-fan meet? Isa ka lang. Diba? Paano natin gagawin to, Nova? Gusto mag-dinner na lang tayo, one-on-one, diba? Iba yung fan meet. Eh. Inisip ko talaga. Tapos, syempre, kahit sila Miss Ann at Miss Joy, pag sinasabihan nila ako na they believe so much in me, sometimes I really wonder why. And hindi ko alam kung bakit. And nung pumasok po ako sa loob ng bahay, sa totoo lang po, sobrang nahirapan ako magpakatotoo. Kasi natakot ako ma-judge. Natakot din ako na baka hindi nila mahal yung pagiging ganito ko until si Bianca pinush niya na ako na maging totoo ka lang sa sarili mo. Siya yung nag-push talaga sa akin, ipalabas mo yan, huwag kang matakot. And the moment I stayed true to myself is the moment I was loved by people. And until now, I feel like it's still overwhelming po ang lahat. And I'm aware po na marami pong dumating na followers. Pero more than that, I feel like I now have a greater responsibility to raise more awareness, to be more, maayos na tao. Kasi nakakatakot talaga. Parang lahat talaga ng moves ko, nakikita na talaga ng mga tao.
Maayos ka namang tao,
Yes.
Shuvi.
Alam mo yung bawat Siyempre, mas magiging aware na ako ngayon at mas magiging sensitive dahil yung bibig ko, di ba? So right now, I feel like I'm more tamed. Kayo dyan na. And then, sobrang po talaga akong masaya. And habang buhay ko po kayong daladala sa puso ko, lahat po ng sumusuporta, lumalaki lang po ang pamilya natin. I hope mahalin niyo rin po ang mga co-housemates ko, lahat-lahat po kami dahil mahal po namin kayo. Ginawa po namin yung PBB para sa inyo. Para sa amin. Oo, tama na. Ayun, maraming salamat
That's
po,
so
sir.
sweet. Pero syempre nabagay mo na kanina yung TDH. Di ba sobrang trending ng TDH? Siguro we wanted to know, meron ba kayong i-expect na project kasama ang iyong TDH?
Ayun. Asan doon?
Sino bang TDH pala? No?
Hindi. Marami namang TDH talaga sa mundong ito. Paano ba to? So, kung meron man pong dadating na trabaho, why not? Let's maximize all of it dahil nandito naman po tayo. So, let's milk it kung ano man po ang pwede. Yes. As long as we're staying true to ourselves at wala tayong inaabakang tao, kung sino ka mang teenage ka, tara, magtrabaho tayo.
May TDH na, hindi na fan meet. Fans meet na kasi marami.
Ay, marami. Plural na.
Sir Nicky, any...
Thank you.
Additional?
Kay Will naman.
Ay, opo.
Hi Will.
Hello
Morning.
po. Good morning po.
Natanong si Klang and she mentioned na you're one of her favorite anak. Ikaw at saka si Sneer. Siguro we wanted to ask for your reaction sa statement niya na yun.
Totoo naman po yun. Charot. De, pero syempre, ang dami po naming anak ni... Ang dami po naming... ang dami na...
Wait lang. Wait lang, ha?
Naguguluhan ako.
Nasa media con tayo, Will.
Hello? Hindi para maging asawa ni Ate Klang ngayon, ha? De, marami kaming mga anak ni Ate Klang. And parang mali pa rin po yun. Maraming anak si Ate Klang ngayon, tama? At naniniwala naman po ako doon na may kanya-kanya kaming place sa puso ni Ate Klang. And ang importante naman po talaga doon eh, yung pagmamahala namin sa isa't isa. Pero kung ako po yung tatanungin, ako talaga yung favorite.
Wait lang.
Pero of course, nakakatuwa lang po na madala namin yung relationship na nabuild namin sa loob ng bahay dito. And now na nagka-work kami, grabe, sobrang fulfilling kasi pinag-uusapan lang namin sa loob ng bahay yun na what if magka-work tayo, acting ka na. Dati ayaw-ayaw pa ni Ate Klang. Ngayon, naging reality na siya. Kaya sobrang nakakataba talaga ng puso na mangyari yung mga what ifs namin sa loob ng bahay.
Thank you. And in terms of relationships na nabanggit mo, ano lang yung valuable lesson na natutunan mo in terms of relationship and friendship inside the house?
Relationship, siguro is to really compromise po yun talaga. Commit ka lang talaga. Matuto ka mag-trust kasi hindi mo alam na yung mga tao pala na nasa harap mo, yung iba dyan, talagang tatanggapin ka ng buong buo. Kasi for years, sobrang takot po ako ipakita yung sarili ko. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina. Pero dito sa PBB, yung mga kasama kong housemates, naipakita talaga nila sa akin na kung sino man ako, tanggap nila ako. At kung ano man yung pinapakita ko, masaya sila doon. As long as ako yun. As long as nagpapakatotoo ko sa sarili ko.
Thank you and congratulations to all the housemates.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sir Nicky. Okay, tuloy pa natin. Let's have questions from Sir Pao Canyamo. And this is for Dustin and Ashley, I believe.
Yes. Hello, I'm here.
Hello, Dustin.
Rain.
Hello, Pao pala. Yes.
Hi everyone, congratulations. Grabe, pinanood ko from the very start until the end. Napapaiyak na ako sa mga elimination nyo eh. So, I have a question for Ashley. Siyempre, in the PBB house, siyempre meron naman talagang eviction night. May matatanggal. So, you were first evictee at that time. So, do you think, if given a chance na magstay longer pa, mas napakilala mo ba ang sarili mo sa taong bayan? Or napakilala mo na at the time for 2 to 3 weeks stay in the PBB house?
Yes, of course naman. I feel like anyone would want to stay longer inside the house if given a chance. And yeah, I think also if I could have stayed longer, siguro mas nakilala rin nila ako. But I also have no regrets sa 3 weeks na yun. Kasi sa 3 weeks na rin naman na yun, so unexpectedly na may mga taong mahal na rin. At marami na pala ako na-inspire. Sabi ko, akala ko sa 3 weeks na yun, wala akong napakita sa outside world. Pero surprisingly, when I went outside, parang a lot of people cried with me. Pag may mga ibang tao, pag nakikita ko sila, they would cry. So parang, kasi parang they understand what I was going through. And some people were nakaka-relate sila sa akin. And yun talaga yung pinaka hindi ko in-expect. But again, I was so grateful for that because bilang artista rin naman, even before pa ako nag-PBB, bilang isang actress, ang laging purpose ko sa mga tao is to inspire and to motivate a lot of people. So, siguro hanggang dun lang talaga yung PBB journey ko. Better things is waiting for me in the outside world, but no regrets. Kahit naman magtagal ako doon, or if I stayed shorter, I feel like nothing would change rin. I mean, like, mahal pa rin ako ng tao, minahal pa rin ako ng tao, and I will always be grateful na naging parte ako ng history ng PBB.
Na-feel mo ba na nag-trending ka kasi noon when you were evicted, like parang almost a week, parang nagluluksa yung mga tao din?
Oo nga po eh, pati yung meme actually, doon nagsimula yung meme ng OA at saka yung nonchalant.
Yes, correct.
Sa amin ni AC. Yun rin yung hindi ko in-expect. Never ako naging meme. Naging meme ng parang ganung katagal. Pero hindi ko in-expect na lahat ng tao ginagaya yung meme namin. And again, like, mayroon kasi akong mga issues na tinaklo inside Kuya's house. There were times that I got so emotional, mga breakdown moments ko. And I feel ko sa pagiging vulnerable ko inside the confession room, dun ko rin siguro na-touch yung mga lives ng tao in the outside world. Because a lot of people understand what I was going through. And a lot of people were going through the same thing I was feeling. So parang, isa yun sa parang hindi ko in-expect na I was able to connect with a lot of people in the outside world. Kasi, again, lahat kami, pag nasa loob kami ng bahay ni Kuya, may sarili kaming mundo doon. Hindi talaga namin naririnig yung noises in the outside world. So, sobrang na-overwhelmed talaga akong paglabas ko na parang, shocks, ang dami nilang alam tungkol sa akin. Tapos nakita na nila yung mga breakdown moments ko na ginagaya nila. Tinatanong nila kung okay pa ba ako, kung tumingin na ba ako ng psychiatrist or whatsoever. But again, I think that was still part of the journey inside PBB, and it shaped me as the person I am right now. So, whatever happened inside, no regrets, kahit 3 weeks lang po ako. Kasi sa 3 weeks na yun as a housemate, sobrang dami rin naging blessings sa outside world after.
And more blessings pa yan, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing your story with us. So, my next question is for Dustin. Hi, Dust. So, syempre naman, you were fighting for the last spot para makapasok sa final Big Four. Siyempre, anong na-feel mo nun at that time? Kasi yung tinawag na yung name mo, parang napakakalmado mo at that time. In-expect mo na ba na lalabas ka or nag-ready ka lang at that moment?
At that time, I wasn't really expecting anything talaga. And to answer your question, if hindi ako nagkakamali, pang 5th time ko na ata consecutive ma-nominate or mapunta sa eviction night. So every time na napupunta ako dun, siguro ready na rin talaga ako. Anytime. Sabi namin palagi, everything happens for a reason. So, at that time, parang sabi ko, oras na. Masakit kasi yun nga, last evictee kami ng PBB Collab. Sobrang sakit, parang heartbreak siya, honestly. Blanco lang yung mukha ko noon kasi kailangan ko maging Anton for Bianca. Kasi alam kong mas magiging mahirap to for her. Yun for her. So ako, naging positive na lang din talaga ako. At of course, yung nakapasok naman is yung duo na close din namin, which is si Mika and Brent. So, happy rin naman. Happy na may kasamang sakit, parang ganun. Mixed emotion.
Pero yung second challenge ka, kasi yung mga netizen, in-upload ka talaga. Like yung napagod na si Bianca and then you hug her. So, uploaded ka lahat ng netizen doon, nababasa ko sa mga comments. Na ayun nga, nilook forward mo na laban lang, ganyan. Pero, ano na? So, we're looking forward lang sa inyo rin, of course, sa show mo and also with her.
Sige, acknowledge ko muna yung sinabi mo, yung sa second big task namin. Sobrang hirap kasi talaga nung task. Honestly, hindi rin namin ma-imagine until now kung paano namin yung nalagpasan. Nung second task, parang 7 hours kaming nakahold sa tawag doon, sa mga cubes, mga blocks. So ako sabi ko kay Bianca, lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya na kahit anong mangyari, sobrang proud ako sa kanya. Kasi si Bianca talaga, siya yung isa sa pinakamalakas sa bahay ni Kuya. And for some reason, hindi niya nakikita yon. So, andun ako for her to remind her na parang okay lang yan, lalaban tayo ulit, mabawi tayo, may isa pa, may chance pa. Of course, gano'n naman yung duo eh. Lahat naman kami, gano'n kami sa mga duos namin. So, yun lang.
Thank you so much, Dad. May sabihin ka pa?
Eh, wala.
Okay. Thank you. Kala ka pa eh. Thank you so much, Dad.
Thank you, Pao.
Salamat pa. Thank you.
Alright, so now let's have Miss Hannah Malorca of Inquirer.net. I believe this is for Big Four. Okay, Big Four. So let's have the mic sa Big Four natin. And then let's have a mic for Miss Hannah as well. Take it away, Miss Hannah.
So, hello po sa Big Four. First of all, congratulations po sa inyo. And good morning po. So, isa sa reasons bakit kayo minahal ng taong bayan is lahat kayo may sarili-sariling kwento. You all come from different backgrounds and maraming nakarelate kung saan kayo nanggaling. So, how does it feel knowing na naka-inspire kayo ng tao and you made people feel seen with your respective stories?
Hi, Miss Hannah. Ako, sobrang nasashock ako na may na-inspire ako sa outside world. Like, there was a time na pumunta ako sa isang place around this area lang. Tapos may lumapit sa akin, sabi niya, sobrang na-inspire daw siya because yung faith ko, na tulungan din yung faith niya because of how prayerful I was inside the house. Sobrang na-touch ako nun kasi hindi ko naisip talaga yung pagiging prayerful ko ma-e-ere or like I thought it was just like parang nandun lang or like mapapakita sa labas. Pero she mentioned about how I was so prayerful and grabe na-touch talaga ako sa sinabi niya na thank you, like grabe because of me daw na-inspire daw talaga siya. And up until now, nasashock ako na may na-inspire ako na tao na may mga nagpapasalamat sa akin because of what I showed sa loob ng bahay. Kaya sobrang grateful din ako and it helps me din to be better and to do better and parang reminder din na yung lahat ng ginagawa ko at saka kami talaga ni River, yung purpose talaga namin is to do this for them, to fight for others. Ayun po.
Thank you, AZ.
Ay, ako naman po, sa pagpasok ko po sa loob ng bahay. Actually, plano ko din po talaga yun na maging living testimony na kung gaano kabuti ang Panginoon sa buhay natin. Especially po sa akin, after po na lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, na hindi porket salamuot yung past mo as hindi na magbabago yun. And nakita naman din po yun sa journey naming lahat mga housemates sa loob ng bahay, yung growth ng bawat isa. Bawat isa po sa amin meron talagang nakitang growth po. Kaya yun din po yung pinapasalamat ko sa mga tao na nakita po nila sa amin yun.
Thank you, Mika. Will?
Hello, Mike Tess. Ako naman po, syempre before coming inside the house, nakakatuwa po na nakapag-inspire kami ng maraming tao through our craft, of course. Yung mga rules at character na pinoportray namin. Talaga nakakataba po ng puso na makakita ng mga good comments about it po. And nung pumasok naman po kami sa bahay na malaman po namin na nakapag-inspire naman po kami, bilang kami sa sarili namin, mas lalo po kaming natuwa talaga, ako personally. Kasi nakakatuwa po na natanggap po nila yung bawat personalidad ng isa't isa. Yung attitude ng isa't isa, kung paano yung samahan. Nakakatuwa po na makarinig sa kanila na, uy, na-inspire mo ako sa ganito, nag-start na ako ng ganito. Sobrang nakakataba po ng puso talaga na makapag-inspire. Kasi bago po ako pumasok ng showbiz, yun talaga yung gusto ko eh. Kasi isa lang din po akong manonood na na-inspire sa isang aktor na si Kuya Alden yan, na balang araw, sabi ko, inspire ako ng mga tao at bibigyan ko rin sila ng lakas ng loob para gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nila. Now na nabigyan kami ng ganitong kalaking platform, syempre, promise namin lahat na gagawin namin yung best namin para magbigay ng magandang alaala para sa kanila o maging role model for them.
Thank you. Charlie?
Honestly, at this point po, I just like to thank PBB for the platform because the duo of me and Esnir Chares po, it's really about sharing our stories. Sharing about how kahit probinsyana ka, kahit Bisaya girl ka, kahit breadwinner ka, kaya mong abutin yung pangarap mo at kaya mo ding lumaban po dito sa Manila. At naipakita din po namin yan ni Esnir bilang third place din po sa Big Four. And we're really giving our thanks po sa PBB for that platform. Of course, PBB and GMA and ABS po. Other than that, before coming into PBB, it was really my mission in life to share the gospel. As a Christian po, I'm here to really be an instrument of God. He brought me here in Manila. He brought me to where I am today. And to give back to Him and to be used by Him is just wonderful po. To be in PBB, sharing the gospel inside, knowing that it goes outside to the whole world. Knowing that it's not only in the Philippines, but it could also go in any part of the world, in any country po. It's just a wonderful experience knowing that you can reach so many different places and so many different hearts and so many different minds of the people. It's amazing how you can connect to someone's spirit din po and how God can really use you and move mountains po just from inside the house. Alam po namin lahat na inside the house you can't reach the outside. But every single story of ours that has so much value, every single testimony of ours and faith of ours has been shared to everyone outside. And that is just the biggest and the most amazing thing about PBB. Kaya I'm so happy that I've gotten to be an inspiration to a lot of people. I've got to reach people through the PBB po and to share really about God.
Thank you po, congratulations.
Wow, thank you so much, Miss Hannah. And thank you so much to all our housemates, to all our Big Four, and of course, our big winner. Thank you so much sa press. Such beautiful, insightful questions. Tama nga, di ba, kanina gusto nating palalimin yung pagkakakilala natin sa house